What is really inside a black hole? Imagine standing at the edge of the most dangerous object in the universe, a place where gravity is so powerful that even light cannot escape, a place where the known laws of physics begin to break down, a place that may hide the greatest secret in existence. The question is simple: what is really inside a black hole? The answer: no one knows, and that's what makes black holes so terrifying. Black holes are formed when massive stars die. After exhausting their fuel, these stars collapse under their own gravity. The collapse is so extreme that all of the star's mass becomes compressed into an incredibly small region of space. The result is an object with gravity so powerful that nothing can escape once it gets too close. Around every black hole is a boundary called the event horizon. This is the point of no return. Cross it, and escape becomes impossible. Not because something is pulling you back, but because every possible path through space now leads deeper inside. From Earth, scientists can observe matter falling into black holes. They can detect powerful radiation. They can even photograph the shadows surrounding them. But no telescope can see beyond the event horizon. Everything inside remains hidden forever. And that's where the mystery begins. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, everything that falls into a black hole eventually reaches a singularity, a point where density becomes infinite, a place where space and time cease to behave normally, a place where our current understanding of physics completely fails. But many scientists believe reality may be even stranger. Some theories suggest the singularity doesn't actually exist. Instead, matter could be compressed into an unknown quantum structure. Others propose that black holes may contain tunnels through space-time, pathways connecting distant regions of the universe, or perhaps entirely different universes. At the moment, nobody can prove any of these ideas. Now imagine falling into one. At first, nothing seems unusual. You drift toward the event horizon. The stars behind you remain visible. The black hole itself appears strangely dark. Then gravity begins to take control. The force pulling on your feet becomes stronger than the force pulling on your head. Your body starts stretching longer and longer. Scientists call this process spaghettification, and for most black holes, survival would be impossible. But strangely, if the black hole were large enough, you might cross the event horizon without immediately noticing anything at all. You would continue falling, deeper and deeper, toward a destination no human has ever seen, and perhaps no human ever will, because any information from inside the event horizon is trapped forever. It can never return to tell the story, which leaves scientists with an incredible problem. Black holes appear to destroy information, but according to quantum physics, information should never truly disappear. This conflict is known as the black hole information paradox, and some of the greatest minds in science have spent decades trying to solve it. Even today, the mystery remains unsolved. Black holes sit at the boundary between two of humanity's greatest theories, relativity and quantum mechanics. Somewhere inside these cosmic monsters may lie the key to understanding reality itself. So what is really inside a black hole? A singularity? A quantum structure? A doorway to another universe? Or something far beyond our imagination? For now, the answer remains hidden, behind the event horizon, waiting in the darkness, perhaps forever.